this color as I'm...
Sis, y'all, look at this. Speechless. Already, look, listen, I don't have to say much about this, but I am here today to show y'all the details on this beautiful blue hair that I am loving. So if y'all are interested in this hair is from blackhairspray.com. All the details will be in the description box. And if y'all want to know more details about this hair, keep on watching. Okay guys, today we have Red Carpet Premiere V-Cut Perfection Lace Wig, and this is in the style RCV 203 in Vicky, and then the color Denim Blue. I know y'all been waiting on blue, so let's get on into it. Here is the card, and this is how the wig looks on the model here. It looks really pretty on the model. And on the back, it actually shows what each wig would look like here. They have beige blonde, 613, denim blue, which I have, and deep chocolate. The deep chocolate looks really pretty too. I feel like all the colors look really good. But I'm going to go ahead and take off all of this stuff and try on the wig. I'm so excited! Okay, the construction of the wig comes with 2 combs in the front here, and 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. This is the parting on the wig. It gives you about 4 inches of parting space right there, and the lace around the hairline is a medium brown color. Oh my gosh, this hair is soft. It has, it's so pretty, y'all. It has little specks of green in it, like purple and blue. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on, and I'll be right back. Y'all, already off the top, this hair lays so flat. I love it. This color though, this color is popping. Oh!
Girl.
Like, it has layers in it, y'all. As y'all can see, it has layers right here all the way to the bottom, so it doesn't go like straight across. Well, it's V-cut, so I'm gonna show y'all the back so y'all can see down the middle of my back. So this is, I would say, like 24 inches. This is like 24 inches, and I love it so much. My hair is braided underneath, so it's laying super flat. I didn't have to add water, heat, or anything to it, and the lace is legit. I will probably just add a little bit of powder to the parting just to match my scalp color, and I probably won't pluck it because this hair is perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace, and I'll be right back. I have finished cutting off the lace, and literally I feel like I don't have to do anything to this wig, y'all. Like, this is the hairline of the wig. It does go kind of straight across, but since I'll be wearing this as a middle part, I don't feel like I would need to cut any baby hair. If I wanted to, I could cut some and just do the little swoop in the front, but for right now I probably won't do that. Actually, let me go ahead and do that really quickly so I can show y'all that y'all have to do little to nothing to make this look bomb. But if y'all didn't want to do any baby hairs, this hair is perfect just the way it is. Like, look at that color, y'all. It's not bright. It's literally just like subtle. If y'all were looking for blue hair, hello. I would not lie to y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little baby hair in the front here. Look how much of a difference that made, y'all. Shedding, I do get 1 or 2 strands. When I run my hands through it, I do get a little bit of shedding. It's not much to even see. I feel like it'll match like any skin color too. This is the one. Like, look how flat this comes in a ponytail. Like, for real, y'all. This is so pretty. Is it big head friendly? Yes. Tangling, it doesn't really tangle, but it does do this a little bit at the ends, but that is nothing. As I always tell y'all, to keep a little wig brush with y'all handy. But other than that, this hair doesn't tangle to the fact where you're just like, you know. That was a very strange face I made, y'all. But yeah, you don't have to do all the extra stuff to get the tangles out. Look, listen, what else can I say about this hair? You don't have to do much to it. All I did was put it on my head, cut a little bit of baby hair right here, and put some concealer in the parting. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this hair. I'm finally giving y'all blue vibes and I am loving it. So I appreciate y'all picking this color because it took a long time to find. I don't know what it is about blue, but there are hardly no blue wigs out there, y'all. Like, what kind of nonsense? Again, if y'all are interested, this hair is from blackhairspray.com. Go get you some blue hair, sis, for real. All the information will be linked in the description box, as well as the details on this wig. Y'all go ahead and check that out. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video if y'all are loving this blue hair. If y'all don't like it, just like it anyway, because that's the right thing to do. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.